series. Now, today we're going to make progress bars. Very simple progress bars. So, the first thing you're going to want to do, so basically, well, these progress bars are going to indicate how much money you need until you can get the click upgrade. So, it'll be like a progress bar from here to here, and when it gets to 100%, the whole bar will be full, and then you'll be able to buy the next upgrade. Now, the way we're going to do this, we're going to want to move our click upgrade button up. We want to move all our upgrade buttons up, give them some space in between, like so. Maybe a bit more than that. Just enough to fit one under the prestige as well. There we go. Now the way we're going to do this is we are going to hide the buttons. We're going to create a new, first of all we're going to create an empty called texts in our canvas. I spelled texts wrong, that's embarrassing. Texts. I still spelled wrong, there we go. Now we're going to press this button bottom right to scale it to the whole screen, hold Alt and that will set it to the whole screen size. We're now going to drag this just underneath the buttons, and no, not, there we are, and we're going to get all our texts and just drag them into there. There we go, got a nice thing here. Now we're going to create another empty called progress bars. Same thing, bottom right, hold Alt, bottom right again, and then in here we're going to create a UI and an image. We're going to call this image click upgrade bar. Now, this image is going to be, where it says source image, I'm just going to leave it as it is. You could make it anything really, but I'm going to leave it as it is. A nice plain button, square rather. Yeah, I'm going to put this, I'm going to locate this. If you want, you can drag this outside the progress bar so you can get the lining better. Although it doesn't actually matter in this case, but you can just sort of roughly line this up how you want. You can change some things about to line it up better. Like if you get your buttons and get the click upgrade, put it out, and get this and put it out, you'll be able to scale these two with each other. Like so. And then you can drag it back in. But that's just like really time consuming. And to be honest, don't have time for that. So there we are. Anyway, I've got the click upgrade bar. We're not going to do the other bars just yet. We're going to get focused on the first bar and then we'll do the others. Oh, we need to actually add a source image. Yeah, we have to. Otherwise it doesn't work. Let's just add, if we add none, we can't add none. It has to, yeah, we've got to add a source image. So just add any. I'm just going to add this button default. Ideally make your own because mine looks really ugly. I have my UI, don't I? That I bought in. There we go. It's not very good. Blue kind of blends in my background a bit. Oh, let's get purple. Yeah, I'll tell you what, I'll go white and then purple on top. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make the image type filled. Now we're going to make the, well, if you can see, as we adjust this, you can see that it kind of fills in a circle. To fix that, we're going to click the fill method, and we're going to want this to be horizontal. So now, as you can see, we can adjust the bar to make it appear and disappear. And then you can kind of see how this would come together to make a progress bar now. What you want to do now is, in your progress bar, this is going to be like the bit that colours the bar. So, what you want to do is set this to whatever you want. This is going to be the bit I've got, yeah, so I'm going to set this to purple, because this is the bit that's going to fill the bar. We're now going to go duplicate this bar and rename it to click upgrade bar BG for background, or you could call it click upgrade bar background for BG short. Now this is going to go to white, like so. Now that has not changed, has it? Click upgrade bar background, like so. Now I'm going to drag this above the bar, and then the bar is going to drag into the background. Okay. Now we're going to open up our main game script, and we're going to deal with the script side of things. Now the script's not even that hard, to be honest. We have to make one new variable. That's it. It doesn't even need to be in the data. It just needs to be in the main game. Drop down 2 lines. We say public image, and then this can be click upgrade bar, and that's it. Now we just need to go down to our avoid update. Let's save a few lines here. let's actually make a couple of regions so we can read our code a bit better. So do hashtag region, and I'll explain what this does in a minute. This is going to be texts, and then underneath here we're going to do hashtag end region. Now what this does is it allows you to make some text here, which you can make bigger and smaller. So it just creates a little region which you can open and close. So you can, same with update really, like you can open and close your methods. It just gets rid of chunks, so like they're still there but you can't see them unless you open it back up again. Now we're going to do a hash. Let's just actually region out our update here. It's going to be calculations. Hashtag end region. There we go. Let's close that. We can put these two together now. Now let's do a hashtag region. Then this is going to be our progress bars. Let's do hashtag end region, and then in between this we're going to say if we're going to do data dot money divided by data dot click upgrade price. Then what we're going to do is what we can say is what's the error here? Cannot convert. Oh, this needs to be doubled, divided by. No, it doesn't. What we need to do is less than or equal to 0.01. Then we're gonna say progress bars. Whoops. No, we're not. We're gonna say click upgrade bar dot fill amount equals 0. Now this is basically just gonna say. If our fill amount, by the way, is, let me go to the bar. Our fill amount is this here. So if it's set to 0, there's no fill. So the reason why we're saying we're setting the fill bar to 0 if it's less than 0.01 is it saves more CPU usage running through this if statement. Because if it's less than 0.01, let's be honest, you won't see it. Of course, if it's like 0.1, then yeah, you probably would see it quite a lot. But 0.01, you're not really going to see it that much, so it doesn't really matter if it's slightly off. It just saves more usage, really, on your computer or mobile device, whatever device this is going on. Now, let's do else if, because obviously you can't use elif in C#, it's just else if. And then, it's going to be data.money divided by data dot click upgrade price again is bigger than 1. We're going to say click upgrade bar dot fill amount equals 1. So this is setting the fill amount to 1 if of course it's big. So if it's bigger than 1 when we divide this, we're going to set the fill amount to 1. And else, we're just going to say else click upgrade bar dot fill amount equals, and then here we're going to do brackets data. No, we're not. We're going to do data dot money divided by data dot click upgrade price. Semicolon on them right in front of here. We're going to have to convert this to a double, or not. No, we're going to have to convert this to a float. Or not. What's the problem? Can I implicitly convert? Oh no, we're not. We're going to type double here and then do another bracket for this data.money thing. Like that. No, we're still... No, because it has to be a float. I'm just being an idiot. There we go. We want this to be a float. Now we can save this. And if we test this now, we got to quickly go into our game handler and apply our bar. If we now run this, as you can see, our bar goes up whenever we can buy. As you can see, look how nice that is. There we go. Now we're just going to make one for everything else. So we're going to duplicate our click upgrade bar. Production upgrade bar. This is going to obviously be background as well. You don't really need to worry about naming this thing here. You can if you want. Production upgrade bar. Then we're going to drag this down here. And while we're at it, we'll make another one as well for prestige upgrade, prestige bar background, and then this will become prestige bar. Now let's go to our script. Let's copy our click upgrade bar, paste it twice. This becomes production upgrade bar, and then this becomes prestige bar. Now down here we're going to copy this whole thing again. I know, not the most optimized thing in the world, but we can always sort this out another time. We actually can make this into a function. Copy that, there we are, set it there and set it there. Then this one is going to be BTC price, that's it. Copy that, paste there, save. We can close down that region now. Now let's go over to Unity, drag in our production upgrade bar, drag in our prestige bar, run it. As you can see, all our bars are doing different things now. Now this one's not working properly. I know why. The reason why these bars are not working is because we need to change these, don't we? This needs to become production upgrade bar, and then this becomes prestige bar. Save it once again, back to Unity, and now all three of our bars should be working, and all working at different rates as well. Oh, and also we need to get our prestige bar and drag it down. Right, now let's give it a go. Alright, got a couple of problems. We can buy, okay. So, as you can see, this bar, these two bars are not actually doing anything. Yeah, it's filling with the wrong thing. Because we brought in the actual bars, the backgrounds. These need to be the bars, not the backgrounds. There we are, that's it. Now, yeah, there we go, it's working now. There we are. Okay, everything works. Oh, sorry about that, everyone. That was our problem. Don't forget to save and make a note of a backup now that we've done some work. And I'll see you in the next one. So that was it. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like. If you have any ideas or any questions or anything to let us know in the comments. If you enjoy our content, make sure to subscribe. And thanks for watching, and bye.